everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Megan and this is Painted and Distressed. Today I am participating in Heidi Sonboul's DIY challenge, and the theme this month is summer. I guess I've been living under a rock, and so I just found out about this challenge and only had time to make one DIY for you guys today, so it'll be a nice, quick, short video for you. So I am taking this sign that I got from Dollar General for $5, and I am giving it a few coats of white paint by Waverly, and the letters and stuff were kind of indented, so I actually added some spackle to just flatten it out. But I decided then to take these peel and stick tiles that you get from Dollar Tree, and I cut them down to size to fit inside the frame. So now I am just basically sticking them in there, shoving them in there as much as I can to get them to fit, and just to give the frame a little bit more dimension. Now I'm taking a piece, just a cardboard box from Amazon, and I know you can't see from here because my 4-year-old got a hold of it and was trying to quote-unquote help, but I drew a triangle on it, and so now I'm just taking my rotary cutter and I am cutting out the triangle. So now that it's all cut out, I took some chicken wire that I got from Home Depot, and I am just cutting that out into a triangle as best I can. It's a little hard that was my daughter there. It's a little hard, obviously, to cut a triangle, at least it was for me, but I made it a little bit big, and then I just used some clamps from Dollar Tree, and then I just took my big old staple gun and I stapled it. So now I am taking some moss from Dollar Tree, and I took some spray glue also from Dollar Tree, and I just sprayed the entire piece of cardboard. I gave it some really good, a lot of glue, a lot of spray glue. I didn't want moss all over my house, and I also wanted it to stick. But I'm just filling it. I basically made a pocket out of this cardboard and the chicken wire, and surprisingly, once I got it in there, it was a little tight at the bottom, and I did have to use a little hot glue for the point at the bottom there. But otherwise, surprisingly, the moss has stayed really well, and I haven't had a problem with it getting all over my house. So I'm just taking my time to make sure to fill it in completely, and to make sure you can't see any of the cardboard, obviously. And yeah, that's all I did. And then I gave it a really good coat all over with the spray glue again, just to make sure that everything stayed in place. And then I poked some holes into the cardboard, and then I took that wire jute cord and put it in the holes to make a hanger. And then now I'm adding flowers. I wanted this to be as summery as possible, hence the theme of this video, and sunflowers and Gerber daisies scream summer to me. But I just could not get these to lay right and to look right, and then I also ran out of some of them. So you'll see in a minute I ended up taking them out and just adding these pink and yellow roses that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just filled the pocket as much as possible, and to get it to how I liked it and how it looked, as you can see right here. And then now I'm just giving it a haircut, channeling my inner Mr. Miyagi, if you will. This is somewhat therapeutic to do. I don't know why, but these little detail scissors are from Dollar Tree, and they work really well, especially for things like this. Highly recommend. And I also wanted to make sure you could see the chicken wire. I was going to spray paint it white so you could really, I think that would have looked a lot better. But I just unfortunately ran out of time and didn't have time to do that. So now I'm taking, this is really fun. I wanted to add a little bit more embellishment to the front, excuse me, of the pocket. And so I got this free starter kit from What's Jamie Makin' over on Instagram and here on YouTube. And it's a chalk couture. And this is the first time I've ever used something like this. And the kit came with everything you see that I'm using, including the gingham ribbon to hang it. And this was so much fun. I'll leave her information down below if you're interested. And then I also added a removable hook from Dollar Tree that I painted black to hang this walls, I don't know, this flower pocket or sconce or whatever. And that was it. And I have it hanging on my front door and I absolutely love it. And I love that I can change out the flowers for this season. And I would love to know what you guys thought. I'm so sorry for a short video, but that's how it goes sometimes. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.